Good morning, Mr. Nugroho. Thank you for meeting with me today. I'm interested in purchasing a Mitsubishi Pajero Sport 2024 and would like to discuss the term of the sale. Good morning. Thank you for considering PT Wirawiri for your purchase. The Mitsubishi Pajero Sport 2024 is an excellent choice. How can I assist you today? I have reviewed the specification and feature of the Pajero Sport 2024 and I'm very impressed. I would like to propose a purchase price of 600 million, including all taxes and fees. I appreciate your proposal. The listed price for the Pajero Sport 2024 is 650 million. However, I'm open to discussing a reasonable offer. I understand the listed price, but I believe 600 million is a fair offer considering the current market condition and my budget constraints. Additionally, I'm willing to make a down payment of 30%. I see your point. However, the lowest we can offer is 630 million. This includes a complimentary service package for the first year. I appreciate the offer. To make this work, could we agree on 620 million and include the complimentary service package as well as set of our weather flow mat? Let me check with my supervisor. Okay. We can agree on 620 million with the complimentary service package and the all-weather floor mat included. That sounds reasonable. I agreed to purchase price of 620 million with the complimentary service package and the all-weather floor mat included. I will make a down payment of 30%. Excellent. We have a deal. I will prepare the necessary paperwork for you to sign. Thank you, Mr. Smith. I look forward to finalizing the purchases and driving my new Mitsubishi Pajero Sport 2024. Thank you for your business. We will ensure that everything is ready for you as soon as possible.